Hello, stars! Welcome back to Fun-Filled Figures. Oh, I am so excited to learn with you all today. Hey, do you remember when we learned how to add fractions together? That was a blast. Well, today we're diving into its super cool partner, subtracting fractions. It's all about figuring out what's left over when you take something away. So to get us started, let's solve a delicious mystery. I call it the Great Pizza Mystery. Picture this. You have 3/4 of a big, yummy pizza, but what if you needed to subtract 2/5 from that amount? How much pizza would really be left? That's the mystery we're going to solve. But don't you worry one bit, because I'm going to show you two awesome tools to solve any fraction subtraction problem. We've got the cross multiplication method and the LCM method. Now, they might sound a little fancy, but trust me, you're going to see just how simple they are. All right, first up, we have method 1, which I like to call the crisscross. Why? Well, because that's literally what we're about to do. Think of it like a cool secret math handshake. Okay, ready to solve our pizza mystery. We have 3/4 minus 2/5. First up, we're going to crisscross multiply. You take the top number of the first fraction and multiply it by the bottom of the second. So 3 times 5, that's 15. Now we do the other cross, the bottom of the first fraction times the top of the second. 4 times 2, that's 8. Easy, right? Next, we just multiply the two bottom numbers straight across. 4 times 5 gives us 20. And now for the final step, we subtract those first two numbers we got. 15 minus 8 is 7. We just pop that 7 on top of the 20 we found earlier, and there's our answer, 7/20. And just like that, you did it. See, the crisscross method is such a quick and fun way to get the answer. Fantastic job, stars. Okay, are you ready for our second amazing tool? This one is called the LCM path. Now, LCM just stands for least common multiple. All that means is we're looking for the smallest number that both of our bottom numbers can multiply into. It's another great way to get our fractions ready for subtraction. Let's see how it's done. So we're tackling the same pizza problem, 3/4 minus 2/5. First, what's the LCM of our denominators, 4 and 5? Well, the smallest number they both go into is 20. Perfect. Now we have to figure out our new top numbers. For the first fraction, we ask, how many times does 4 go into our LCM of 20? The answer is 5. So we multiply its top number, 3, by that 5, and we get 15. Now for the second fraction, how many times does 5 go into 20? That's 4 times. So we multiply its top number, 2, by 4, and we get 8. Now all we have to do is subtract our new top numbers. 15 minus 8 equals 7. We put that over our LCM, which was 20, and would you look at that? We got 7/20 all over again. Amazing! See? Both of our awesome tools got us to the exact same answer. That's what's so cool about math, you know? There's often more than one way to find the right solution. Okay, you've learned the methods, you've seen the magic. Now it's your turn to shine. Let's do some practice. We'll do this first one together, step by step. What is 7/8 minus 3/4? You know, for this one, I think the LCM method is going to be super fast. So, what's the LCM of 8 and 4? It's 8. How perfect is that? The first fraction already has 8 on the bottom, so we don't have to change it. For the second one, we ask how many 4s go into 8? That's 2. So we multiply its top number, 3, by 2, which gets us 6. Now our new problem is just 7 minus 6, which is 1. So our final answer is 1/8. See? You've totally got this. All right, you're doing great. Now it's your turn to try one all on your own. Don't worry, just take a deep breath and give it your best shot. What is 5/6 minus 1/2? Go ahead and pause right here. Think about it. Which method do you want to use? The crisscross? The LCM path? It's your choice. I know you can do it. Okay, ready to check your answer? Let's see. The LCM of 6 and 2 is 6. The first fraction is already 5/6, so that's easy. For the second one, 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 1 times 3 is 3. So now we just do 5 minus 3, which equals 2. The answer is 2/6. Did you get it? That is fantastic work. And hey, a little bonus tip for you. 2/6 can be made even simpler. You can divide both the top and the bottom by 2, which gives you 1/3. You have practiced. You have learned, and you are ready. It is time for the final boss round. Let's see if you can become a fractions boss. Here it is, your final challenge. What is 4/7 minus 1/3? Let's see all that brain power at work. Okay, pause one last time and really focus. You're a fractions boss now. You can totally solve this. Take all the time you need. And the final answer is, drumroll please, 5/21. How did we get that? Well, if you use the crisscross method, you did 4 times 3, which is 12, then 7 times 1, which is 7, 12 minus 7 is 5. And on the bottom, 7 times 3 is 21, so 5/21. You did it. Now, if you got that right, that is just incredible. Give yourself a pat on the back. And you know what? If you didn't get it right, that is absolutely okay too. The most important thing is that you tried. Every time we make a mistake, it's just our brain getting stronger and learning something new. Okay, before we wrap up, let's go over a few super important rules to make sure you become a true fraction master. Okay, rule number 1, and this is a big one, fractions have to have the same denominator before you can subtract them. That's why our tools are so important. Rule number 2, after you get your answer, always take a quick look to see if you can make it simpler, like when we changed 2/6 to 1/3. And the biggest, most important rule of all, never, ever just subtract the top numbers and the bottom numbers straight across. It's a classic trick, don't fall for it. You all did such a wonderful, wonderful job today, stars. Now you'll start seeing fractions everywhere, in cakes, chocolates, you name it. And guess what we're going to explore in our next adventure? Mixed fractions. It's going to be great. I can't wait to see you next time on Fun-Filled Figures. Bye for now.